Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Instagram that allows you to view highlights directly from your PC. Whether you're catching up on your favorite accounts or exploring new content, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. First, let's open Instagram on your preferred web browser. Simply type in the URL or click on your saved bookmark to get started. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, it's time to enter the profile that contains the highlight you want to view. You can do this by searching for the username in the search bar at the top of the page. Click on their profile picture or name to access their profile. Now that you're on their profile, look just under their bio section. Here, you'll see a series of circular icons representing their highlights. This is where all the curated stories are stored. Go ahead and click on the highlight you want to explore. As you click on a highlight, it will open up, displaying a collection of stories that have been saved by the user. You can scroll through these stories just like you would on a mobile device. This feature is particularly useful for viewing content that may have disappeared from their main feed, but is still available in highlights. With this new update, Instagram has streamlined how highlights are displayed, making them easier to find and view directly from your computer. This change enhances user experience and allows for a more engaging way to interact with content. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Instagram, navigating to a profile, and clicking on the desired highlight, you can easily view highlights on your PC. Enjoy exploring all the amazing stories your friends and favorite creators have shared.